stupid ass bitch.
Don't try to reason.
Shut the fuck up. Stop talking to me, bitch. No, not you. I'm talking to the dumbass fat bitch over there. Eating too many pork chops. Fat ass bitch.
I'm trying to help you.
Shut up, you fat bitch. Stop eating so many pork chops. Back up off the tape. Go on a diet, you fat ass bitch. That's why you ain't got no man. You're too fucking fat. Nobody wanna fuck you. You're too fat, bitch. You eat too many pork chops, too much rice and beans. You dumbass, stupid ass bitch.
Hey, yo, Fred, get this door open, so please.
Door's broken.
But this train ain't going no motherfucking way till I get out. Call the police. This train ain't going no fucking way till I get out.
This door's...
I don't give a fuck. Get me off the train. This is my stop. I don't give a fuck about the door. Yeah.
This door is locked.
Yeah.
Broken.
So all I said,
You have to use one of the other
okay.
doors. This one doesn't open.
Don't move this fucking train till I get out.
It's not going to move until you
Okay.
get out.
All right.
Just calm
That's
down.
all I'm saying. Around all these motherfucking white people. I'm stuck on this motherfucker. All these motherfucking immigrants and white people. This fat ass bitch wanna harass me. Shut up, bitch. Shut up. I want to talk to you. Talk to none of you motherfuckers. Don't say nothing to me.
We did.
You motherfuckers.
You got a days, bro. You got a days.
All you motherfuckers.